Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today, finally, I'm going to be talking about, I say finally because I've just not gotten around to it. There's been other videos that have taken precedence, and also the perfume that I was using. So this is an unboxing. So the perfume that I was using, that's come out of there, that's not good. So the perfume that I was using I've only just finished, so that's in here still. So let me tell you what that one was first of all. It's going to be a very, very short video. It's my sister's birthday today, so I have to get to my sister's house to give her a gift. So it comes like this, and then you just pull it at the top. So this one is the Lancome Belle Elixir EDP. It looks just like that. You're not seeing the writing though, I don't know why. But yeah, I finished it all up. There's a tiny bit left in. Will anything come on my wrist? Yeah, just literally a tiny bit. There's nothing left in that now. So we can change it up. So last month's I've not used. Last month's is here. Lancome Belle. Was that July? July? No, because it comes like a month in advance, I think. Maybe that was June's. So maybe June, July, and then this one comes at 25th of August, and then I'll get another one for September, but I won't, because I've still got 2 perfumes and I've not used them. I paused my subscription membership, so that's a good thing about the subscription. You can pause it. I think you can do with most subscriptions these days. So I paused it for a month, and then I'll get another perfume after that. So I'll show you what I got last time. And what we'll do in the next video is I'll talk about the notes that are in the Lancome Belle. So we're going to put this one in. So this is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Glow Love EDT. So this one's going to go in now. Not used it. I don't want to put that on when I've already got one on. So that's that. So I've already talked about that. I will put that around here somewhere, so I don't need to go into too much detail about last month's perfume. This month's perfume, however, let's go into detail of that. So I really do like a sweet smelling perfume, and Daisy Glow Love is sweet smelling. The Lancome Belle was strong, not as strong as like YSL Black Opium. It was strong. It had something sweet in there, so I'd be interested to finding out the notes on that. And then this one came last week. So as I was saying, I wanted something really, really sweet. It's going to be at least another month until I get to this one, but I thought I would show it anyway. So this one is Sabrina Carpenter, and this one is Sweet Tooth. And I have spritzed this a couple of times. It's so, so nice. It's either got caramel in there or vanilla. It could have both. But yeah, we'll be doing the notes on this one as well. I always do an initial video of what perfume I've ordered, and then an initial video of what my thoughts are on it. Do I think I'm going to buy it again? Like at the end of the year, I'm going to be buying one of these bottles of perfumes. So I'm going to have like 12 little bottles like this, and then I'm going to go out and buy a 30ml bottle. I'm going to decide which one it will be. So that's that. So what I'm not liking at the moment is price point. So the fragrance shop recently wrote to me a couple of weeks ago and said that the price was going up from £12 a month to £14 a month, and I just think that's extortion. I know cost has to go up, but by £2 a month, that's going to work out a lot of money over the course of the year. So definitely going to be purchasing until the end of the year, but then next year, I think I did it from April. So once we get to April of next year, I think I'm just going to stop it. I do feel like it's been worth it for me, because I've got to try 12 different perfumes, and you know, I was doing a lot of blind buying when it came to perfume, so I do feel like it's worth it. But I guess it's because I got it at £12 a month to begin with, and now it's £14 a month. It's like, I don't want to pay that. So anyway, guys, this is the video. I just wanted to show you what had been ordered for this month. Let me know if you're part of any perfume subscriptions, fragrance subscriptions. I would love to know. I know that I think it's America and Canada, and I think even they ship to the UK now. There's one called Scentbird. I don't think I would go there either, just purely because obviously it's shipping it to the UK, and I don't think it's any cheaper than what the fragrance shop charge. So by the way, this one's called Scent Addict. So like I said, I'm going to swap these out, and we're going to do a quick video on this, like, oh, not that one, that one's the new one. We're going to do a quick video on the Lancome La Vie Belle, just me telling you what notes are in it and everything like that. So watch out for that, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.